There was an old pirate who swallowed a map, by Lucille Colandro, illustrated by Jared Lee. There was an old pirate who swallowed a map. I don't know why she swallowed the map. Arr, but it wasn't a trap. How do we choose which way to go? Read the map and then we'll know. There was an old pirate who swallowed a line. She had to recline when she swallowed the line. She swallowed the line to hold the map. I don't know why she swallowed the map. Arr, but it wasn't a trap. Tie the line to hoist the sail. The wind will steer us toward our trail. There was an old pirate who swallowed a sword. No one was bored when she swallowed her sword. She swallowed the sword to cut the line. She swallowed the line to hold the map. I don't know why she swallowed the map. Arr, but it wasn't a trap. This is such an exciting quest, but how do we know which way is the best? Use the compass, north, south, east, west. There was an old pirate who swallowed a spyglass. It was made of brass, that shiny spyglass. She swallowed the spyglass to find the sword. She swallowed the sword to cut the line. She swallowed the line to hold the map. I don't know why she swallowed the map. Arr, but it wasn't a trap. Let's look in the spyglass to check out the rear. It makes faraway things look like they're near. There was an old pirate who swallowed an anchor. We all had to thank her when she swallowed the anchor. She swallowed the anchor to sink the spyglass. She swallowed the spyglass to find the sword. She swallowed the sword to cut the line. She swallowed the line to hold the map. I don't know why she swallowed the map. Arr, but it wasn't a trap. Did you hear the splash when the anchor dropped? The weight of it helps to keep the ship stopped. There was an old pirate who swallowed a flag. She didn't gag when she swallowed that flag. She swallowed the flag to cover the anchor. She swallowed the anchor to sink the spyglass. She swallowed the spyglass to find the sword. She swallowed the sword to cut the line. She swallowed the line to hold the map. I don't know why she swallowed the map. Arr, but it wasn't a trap. The spot marked X is why we came, to plant the flag and stake our claim. There was an old pirate who swallowed a treasure. It was a pleasure to swallow the treasure. There was an old pirate who stayed until dark on the pirate ship ride at the amusement park. Before we go on our next trip, let's learn more about life on a ship. Pirates rarely buried their treasure. They would split it up among themselves. Most of the money was spent quickly before they went looking for more. But books and movies still often show pirate treasure maps with riddles and an X marks the spot. The spyglass was first invented in the early 1600s. This handheld telescope used two lenses to magnify objects that were too far away to see. Pirates used spyglasses to spot land, seabirds, and other ships. Now we use powerful telescopes to see into space. The rigging of a ship includes the sails, masts, and other ropes that help the ship move. When a rope is being used aboard a ship, it is called a line. Sailors and pirates would sometimes climb the ship's lines to reach the sails. An anchor is a very heavy weight that drags in the sand to keep a ship from moving. The weight is often connected to the ship with an iron chain. Sailors originally used rocks to anchor their ships. Pirates would anchor their ships to climb aboard an enemy vessel. Ships hung different colored flags. That meant different things. A red flag symbolized a battle. A black flag meant death. The most famous pirate flag is called the Jolly Roger. It shows a skull and crossbones. Pirates often used a short, thick weapon called a cutlass. This sword had a slightly curved blade and often had a wide hilt to protect the owner's hand. A cutlass was strong enough to cut through heavy rigging on the ship, but short so that the pirates could fight in small spaces.